You're cleaning. So is everyone else, apparently. This guy did not put his motorcycle up in the bleachers, so we're getting a very small gas smell, a strong gasoline smell. I'm trying to get it looking again. Other people put their motorcycles up in the bleachers in the basketball court, and those bikes, the water never got above their, even into the rims. The water stayed pretty close to the top of the bottom seat there. And of course, as you can see, everyone is playing basketball again. It just never stops. The kids are always playing basketball. The streets have a lot of debris, but as you can hear, there are some people out here cleaning the streets up.
So much dirty.
Yeah.
Dirty. Lapis.
This is Chairman's sister. She's a Kagawad, which is, the barangay is like a tribal council is what the word comes from. The Kagawad is a councilor or a member of the council. Hello. Street here, on the way to the barangay chairman's house. When our bathroom was flooded out, he invited me to come to his house to use the bathroom the first day. And as I was walking through here, the water came all the way up to my crotch. Is also all the way up to the tires of that guy's car in the garage. Quite a ways up.